Hi, my name is Anna. I am 40 years old. I am writing this letter to my younger self. I want to talk to you like a friend. I want to tell you my story with simple and true words. I live in a small flat. It has 2 rooms, a kitchen, and a bathroom. I also have a small balcony. There are 2 plants on the balcony. The flat is quiet and simple. I live alone. Sometimes I feel lonely, but I light a candle. I listen to soft music. I drink warm tea. These small things help me feel calm. I work as a teacher in a local school. I teach English to young children. They are 7 to 10 years old. Every day I wake up early. I take the bus to school. Sometimes the job is hard. Some children talk a lot or do not listen, but I enjoy my job. When I see the children smile and learn new words, I feel happy and useful. These days I feel sad and tired. I do not smile every day. Sometimes I feel bad in my heart, but that is okay. Life is not always easy. I try to be kind to myself. I cook simple food. I go for short walks. I talk to a friend once a week. I also rest when I feel tired. I go to bed early and listen to relaxing sounds. I want to tell you something important. I was married before. I loved and trusted my husband, but he was not honest. He was with another woman. This made me very sad. I cried every night for many days. I felt very alone and confused. I thought I was not strong, but I was wrong. I knew I could not stay. I did not want a life with lies. It was hard to leave, but I had to do it. I wanted to be strong again. I wanted peace. I told him, "This is the end." I packed my things and left the house. My heart was broken, but my mind was clear. I knew I did the right thing. Slowly, I started to feel better. I went to the park. I talked to my sister. I read small books. These things helped me. One day, I smiled again. Now I am starting a new life. I do small things every day. I read simple books. I go for short walks near my home. I listen to music with slow words. I drink tea in the morning and say, "Today is a new day." I look at the sky and feel a little stronger. Dear younger me, please remember, you are strong. You are not alone. You are good enough. You do not need to be perfect. Just be you. Be kind to yourself. Take your time. You are doing okay. When I was a young girl, I liked to look at the sky. I watched the clouds and the birds. I dreamed a lot. I wanted to travel, to meet people, to love, and be happy. I had many small dreams. I wanted a cat, a nice dress, and a friend who understands me. I was not rich. My family worked hard. We lived in a small house with 2 rooms. At school, I was quiet. I didn't talk much, but I listened. I watched people. I liked stories. I liked to read books and write in my notebook. I wanted to write my own story one day. I had a best friend. Her name was Julia. We talked about everything. We laughed. We cried. We sat under trees and talked about the stars. She told me, "You are special." I didn't believe her then, but now I know she was right. She believed in me when I didn't believe in myself. Dear younger me, I know sometimes you feel lost. You don't need to be like others. You don't need to be perfect. Just be kind. Just be you. And remember, your dreams matter. Your heart is strong. You will learn, you will grow, step by step, day by day. Dear young Anna, I want to give you some advice. I learned these things after many years. I lived, I cried, I laughed, and I tried again. First, love yourself. This is very important. Look in the mirror and say, I am enough. Say it every day. You don't need to be taller or thinner. You don't need to be more beautiful. You are good. You are important. Love is not always like in movies. Love can be hard. It can make you cry. Some people say, I love you, but they do not show it. Please do not believe only words. Look at what people do. Real love is kind. Real love makes you feel safe. You don't need to hurry. Take your time. If someone really loves you, they will wait. Don't stay in a place that makes you feel small or tired. You can start again. It is okay to make mistakes. I made many mistakes too, but I learned from them. Mistakes help us learn. Don't be afraid to try something new. If you fall, get up. Try again. People will tell you many things. They will say, do this or don't do that. But this is your life. Listen to your heart. Trust your feelings. Say yes when it feels good. Say no when it does not feel right. You can be soft and kind. You can also be strong and loud. You don't have to choose. You can be both. Your voice is important. Use it. Rest is not bad. Rest is good. Drink tea. Take small naps. Look at the sky. You are not a machine. You are a person. A beautiful person. You are not alone. Men and women feel like you. They are learning. They are healing too. And maybe this letter is also for someone else. Maybe you, the one reading now. If you feel lost or sad, please remember, you are enough. You are strong. You will be okay. Today my life is simple, but it is mine. I wake up early. I open the window. I take a deep breath. I say, this is a new day. I teach children at school. I help them learn English. I see their smiles. I see their small hands write new words. It gives me hope. I go home in the evening. I read books. I drink tea. Sometimes I sit on the sofa and do nothing, and that is okay too. I do not have all the answers. I still feel sad sometimes. I still remember the past, but now I also feel stronger. I know who I am. I am not perfect, but I am real. My future is open. I want to travel one day. I want to see the sea again. I want to write more letters. Maybe I will help other women. Maybe I will write a book. I don't know what will happen next, but I am not afraid. Dear younger me, and dear reader, don't give up. Life changes, and so will you. Every small step is important. Every tear, every smile, every moment, they all matter. And always remember, you are not broken. You are growing.